Hello dear students, today we are going to study the chapter number 10, which is time. So actually what is important in this time, we should know the relation between the bigger quantities, bigger units and the smaller units. Like unit of time is hour. What is the relation between 1 hour, hour and the minute and the second? So I think most probably everybody knows about that. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. In 1 hour we are having 60 minutes, and in 1 minute we are having 60 seconds. So in this chapter there are few exercises which we will discuss in this video, and maybe if it is possible then I will make one more video. So you can see 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. In 1 hour there are 60 minutes, and in 1 minute there is 60 seconds. 60 seconds. Now what is important, you can now listen carefully. If minutes are less than 60, anywhere if the minutes are less than 60, we will write as minutes only. We will write as it is how many they are. If there is given less than 60 means 59 minutes, we will write 59 minutes only. If it is 40 minutes, we will write 40 minutes only. If less than it is 60, we will write as it is how many minutes are given. 20 minutes, then 20 minutes only you can write. But if the minutes are more than 60 or equal to 60, if minutes are given more than 60, like 61 minutes, 62 minutes, 63 minutes, or 130 minutes, 140 minutes, 200 minutes, 400 minutes, in that case, or equal to 60. If it is given 60 minutes or more than 60 minutes, more than 60 minutes means 130 we have taken minutes. So in that case it is necessary we will convert these minutes to hour and minute. So what we will do, if the minutes are given more than 60 or equal to 60, in that case, if minutes are more than 60 or equal to 60, we will convert them into minute and hours by dividing minute by 60. Same way, same case in seconds. If seconds are more than 60 or equal to 60, we will divide seconds by 60 to convert them into minute and second. Same way, if minutes are given more than 60 or equal to 60, we will divide them by 60 for converting them into hour and minutes. And if seconds are given equal to 60 or more than 60, in that case what we will do, we will divide again by 60 to convert them into minute and seconds. Now we will do few of the questions which are based on these important relations. Now you can see exercise 10.5. in this given that convert into minutes. But first of all we should know that which is the greatest unit of time and smallest unit of time which is given in your syllabus. So here hour is greatest one, then minute, and then second. Hour is greatest, next smaller unit is minute, and then smallest unit is second. So whenever we are going to convert greater to smaller unit, we will multiply. When we are converting hours to minute, we will multiply by 60. When we will convert minute to second, we will multiply by 60. But when you will convert smaller unit to greater unit, what we will do, divide. If we are converting second to minute, we will do divide of 60. If we are converting minute to hours, in that case also what we will do, we will divide by 60. Means when we are converting greater unit to smaller unit, hour to minute, upside it is greatest one, last it is smallest one. If we are converting hour to minute, we will multiply. If we are converting minute to hour, then multiply. But when we will convert second to minute, smaller to greater, then divide by 60. Minute to hour, then also divide by 60. That we have to remember. Now we will see the question number 1. Now see, Question number 1, part A, 2 hours 30 minutes. We have to convert into minutes. So this 30 is already given in minute. We are converting this hour into minutes. So what we will do? This 2. But you know that hour we are converting into minute means greater to smaller we are converting. So we'll multiply it by 60. It will convert into minute. Then plus 30 minute. So put here 120 minute plus 30 minute. So if you will add it, you will get 150 minute. Next, same question, it is 5 hour 25 minutes we will convert into minutes. So 25 is already given in minute, we will convert 5 hours. So again you can see hour we are converting into minute, greater we are converting to smaller. So we will do multiply. 5 multiply by 60 plus, so here you can write minutes, the product will come in minutes, 25 minutes. So it is here 300 minutes plus 25 minutes. So you will add 325 minutes. But in this third one case, if you will see here 300 seconds, and we have to convert into minutes. So what we are doing, smaller we are converting into greater, second we are converting to minutes. So we will do divide. So here we will do divide. 300 divided by 60, or like this you can write, or we can write 300 divided by 60. What answer will come? That will comes into minutes, minute and second. Now we are dividing here. 60 divides 300. 60 5 times, 5 zeros are 0, 5 6 are 30. So we take here 5 minutes. 5 minutes, 5 minutes, and remainder is 0 second, because this 300 was in second. So anything remainder will come, that will come in second. But here division is completed by 5, no remainder left. So 0, 5 minutes and 0 seconds. Same way we will see few more questions. Now you can see question number 2, where convert minutes to hour and minutes. Here we will convert minutes to hour and minutes. I told you before, if minutes are given more than 60. So here you can see it is 135 minutes, which is more than 60. So what we will do, we are converting minute to hour and minutes. So better you can see minutes, we are converting hour and minutes. I told you before, if minutes are given more than 60, we will divide it by 60 to convert into hour and minutes. So here it is more than 60, so what you can do, divide it by 60, 135. It is given in minutes, 135 is in minutes, so we will divide 2 times, 120. So better what left, this left here 15. 60 divide 135, quotient will come in hour, and remainder will come in minutes, because 135 is minute. From 135 we are subtracting 120 minutes, so remainder will come in minute. So better here your answer will be 2 hours and 15. Same way you can do the another way. Now we are doing question number 3, convert hour or minute to second. Either two type of questions are there, where somewhere minute is given, minute to second we have to convert, and in some questions hour to second. So here you can see minute we are converting to second, minute to second, minutes we are converting to second, greater one to smaller one, greater one to smaller one, it is a greater to smaller, we will do multiply. So here 45 minutes we are converting to seconds, minute is greater, we are converting to the smaller unit second. So you can multiply it by 60 and you will see the answer will come in second. 0 6 5s are 30, 6 4s are 24, 2700 seconds. Now you can see here we will convert R to second. This R to second. This R to second we are converting. R to second we are converting. So there is two ways to convert. Direct also you can do, because R to second means first we will convert R to minute by multiplying it by 60. Then minute we will convert in second by multiplying it by 60. Means 260 are coming, so we will multiply it by 260. So you can see 5 multiply by 60 into 60. It will convert into, you can see R we are converting into second. So greater to smaller means multiplies. Then by how much we will multiply? 60 into 60 you can multiply here. At last you can see what the answer will comes. 0 0 6 5 the 30, 36 the 18, 180. So it this much seconds. So we will do two more questions are there. Now see this question number 4, where R and minute we have to convert into second. So here it is given 4 hours and 30 minutes. So what you will do, what we are doing, these R and minute we are converting to second. So but you know that R we can convert first into minute, then minute we will convert into second. So there are two methods, both methods I will teach you. First of all, what we can do, this R you can convert into minute. So you know that R to minute, greater to smaller means 4 into 60 minute plus 30 minute. So here you will get 240 minute plus 30 minute. What we did, this R we converted into minutes by multiplying this 4 by 60. Now you will see, add it, you will get 270 minutes. But now we are having 270 minutes. This minute we have to convert into second, because actually overall R and minute at last we need to convert into second only. So what we did, first of all this R we converted into minute, then both the minutes we added, it comes in minute. This minutes will convert into second, and you know that minutes, if you want to convert into second, greater to smaller, we will multiply it by 60 again. So you can see 270 multiply by 60, it will convert into second. So here it is 2 zeros, 6 7 is 42, 6 2 is 12 plus 4, 12 plus 4 16. So it is this much second. One more method is there, that maybe we have done in the PDF. You can see 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds also. This is also one relation. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, and 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. So directly also we can convert this question. 4 hour 30 minutes. So you can see what I will do. We know that 1 hour is equal to 360 seconds. So what we can do, direct we can multiply it by 360, it will convert into second, plus 30 minutes. How to convert into second? Minute to second we will multiply 30 by 60, it will convert into second. So you can just multiply it. 0 0 4 6 are 24, 4 3 are 12, plus 2 14, plus here 0 0 6 18, we will add it. 0 6 8 plus 4 12, and then this is 5 6 1. These are the two methods. Which method you feel comfortable, that one method you can do. We will do the next one. So question number 5, one part I am doing, next part you can try. Convert second into hour, minute and second. So you can see seconds we are converting into hour, minute and second. So what we will do, we will divide it here. So watch it carefully, everything is easy. 4800 seconds we are converting into hour, minute and second. So better you can see this second we can convert first into minute. Directly we cannot convert into hours. We will convert second to minute first by dividing, because smaller we are converting into greater one, so we will divide by 60. As from up to down we are multiplying by 60, so down to up we will divide by 60. So first second we will convert into minute, so we will divide it by 60. So the answer will come in minutes now, because we are converting second to minutes by dividing it by 60. So whatever the quotient will come, that will be in minutes. So 8 times you can divide 480, nothing left, you can carry this 0 down, it is not 0, you can keep upside. So but your remainder is 0 seconds and quotient is 80 minutes. I told you before that if minute is coming more than 60, we will divide it by 60. So minutes are more than 60, so 80 minutes you can divide it by 60. 60 banja 60, here left 20, this remainder will comes in minute. And because when we will divide minute by 60, this when you will divide minute by 60, it will convert into hours, so your quotient will come in hours. So what we can write, answer is 1 hour 20 minutes and 0 second. One more we are having, that you can try by yourself. Then we will do in next videos questions related to add and subtract. Thank you.